Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to build an AI-powered inventory management system. So this workflow is basically look at the sales data of past 30 days and then we'll analyze will inventory need to be reordered or it is going to be out of stock or when by looking at the sales data by reorder levels, supply lead time. Uh, so we have products we have their current stock, then we have reorder level and lead time. So by looking at this, the AI will analyze do we need to reorder, and for the other one is we have the same product and their quantity sold. How many quantity is sold in the past days, like uh, 2016-61, and so then we will merge all the three products. So with the date, and then we will analyze the. So now let's go into step by step how we. The first thing is we are using is execute workflow. So we can use the trigger workflow that basically time that basically we can define a every day that will trigger. So if you go here and search on trigger, so this is schedule trigger. You can select this node and find one and trigger. You can let's say on PM and now it will trigger every day at 8 a.m. Now the second is we have a sales history data we have seen. So this is all how much quantity is sale respect to the date. And the second one is we have the product details like their current stock, reorder level, and other. So now we need to merge both together, and for this we are using a merge node, and the number of input will be two because we have two input, and the mode is append, and now it will append data. For example, we have date. For example, we have the product is wireless mouse, and in the inventory, the product is wireless. So it will aggregate all this result. For example, you can see we have date, wireless mount, and the quantity. So you can see there, but it is sales inventory. So that's it's merging. So now we have current stock, order level, and supply. So with the help of this, we can use this. Now we merge it together. Now the next part is to use AI agent node to create the output. So, for example, in the system prompt, we are saying you are an inventory planning specialist. Analyze each product and determine whether it should be reordered or not. Considered, we have current stock, we have daily sales, we have days remaining, reorder level, supply lead time, rule. And we are specifies a rule. If days remaining is less than or equal to lead time, recommend reordering. Recommend enough inventory for the next 30 days plus supply lead times. Now you can see we have output. So we, for example, we have product wireless mouse, reorder equal to 2. It means we need to reorder. Recommend quantity 700. It's saying reorder 700 product pieces, and the priority is high, and the estimate stock out days is 8. So stock will be out after 8 days, so we need if the priority is high. So days remaining is 8 is less than lead time. So lead time is 10. That means we can going to out of stock for 2 days. And the cover 30 day plus 10 days lead time 40 days. The request inventory is 22 multiplied by 48. It is unit with order 700. So that it's giving suggestions. So now we it is aggregating all the sales data of past month, and now we have given a three uh, output for wireless mode and for mechanical keyword and for USB-C. Now you can see we don't need to be reordered for USB-C cable priority is low because days remaining 12 exceed supply lead time 7 days, so immediate reorder is not required. Current stock of 422 with the last approximately 12 days at the average daily sales rate of 35 units. Stock will reach the reorder level of 150 units in 4 days, which is close to the lead time. So monitoring is advanced, but no reorder needed at a time. So now we have both of this. Now we need to use the split out node to split to use individually. So we have three items. You can see we have three items. We need to separate it. For this, we are using split out node that will split out it. So now we have every product individually. Now, what the next we need to do is we need to check if we need to reorder or not. So we are using reorder equal to true. If it's true, then it goes to this branch. Otherwise, we don't need to order. For example, the two item goes to the true branch. Now we need to generate a summary. That's why in a markdown format. That's why we are using not. We are giving the input, which is JSON. That will provide all JSON. And now, if I mean convert into and now we are giving system message that the professional purchase was by written narrative. So you can see we have a markdown format of two items. Now we need to send it to a Gmail. For this we are using bigger node and operation would be sent, a subject, title, a product required, the place. So we are doing. So once you trigger it, you would get health how high. So now you can see we have a purchase request, which is product name is mechanical keyword, current stock supply unit, and the recommend quantity is 311. Stock scheduled to drop below the and there is some reasoning. Uh, so this is for the mechanical keyword product, and the second is for the uh, wireless and 180 unit on hand. So this is good because you don't need to be manually monitor all the things. Will be, but I miss I think this code. This code is will be used uh, convert it into a wide form. For example, the order level. So you can see we don't have average daily sales, which is one column is this, and the days remaining is 8.2. So that's calculating, and then